Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Planning, we are discussing this topic from the Principles of Management subject. Part of planning, we'll discuss today preparation of budget. Planning of budget, how do we plan it? Preparation of budget already we have covered in management accounting. Different types of budgets are there, preparation of budget, like cash budget, flexible budget, zero budget. All these things we discussed in the management accounting subject. Now today we'll discuss planning of budget. Planning, we know we are planning for many things for the organization. Planning for the smooth running of the organization, planning for the crisis management, planning for the organization activities and everything, isn't it? So part of that planning, budget also we have to plan. What is this budget? Budget means simple, it's a financial statement. Budget is a financial statement. It is for the organization point of view, we'll be preparing this budget. If we prepare budget, we'll have a clarity about the organization, what we are doing and how the organization is going and how we have to run the organization, how the things were going, how we have to plan for the future. That everything depends on this financial statement, that is budget preparation. So how we can prepare this budget planning and what we are going to do, all these things we'll be discussing in this class today. In simple one sentence you can say, what is budget? Budget means a budget is a monetary or quantitative expression. It's a monetary or quantitative expression of business plans and policies. Whatever you are having business policies and plans related to that, it's a monetary or quantitative expression to be pursued in the future period of time. Budget is always for the future period of time, to be pursued for the future period of time. Say after 6 months, my budget is like this. And sometimes budget is prepared for 1 year, budget is prepared for 3 months, or budget is prepared for 6 months, like this. And there are some budgets it will be prepared for 1 month also. Future planning, next month budget is this, next 1 year budget is like different budgets are there. If you see our countries, a state government or total country, yearly once only will have the budget preparation. But organizations it is not like this, depending on the organization activities, depending on the size of the organization, it can be prepared for the future. It may be for 1 month, 3 months, 2 months, or whatever it may be the period. Are you getting? It is for the future point of view, you're preparing some statement, that is budget. Now if you see the characteristics of budget, first one is based on the past figures. How do we plan this budget? Means this is mainly based on the past figures. Last 5 years budget I have observed. Now according to that, future budget can be like this. In the same way I'll be planning for budget. Without any data, without any information of the past, you can't prepare it. Blindly we can't go, because it is unwritten. Budget is unwritten, we are writing. When we are preparing unwritten, we must know what was the history and past. According to that you are going to go. Okay, the first character is based on the past figures, you know. Then according to that I am planning my budget like this. Okay, and second one is flexible. Next character, whenever you are preparing budget, that must be flexible. Why flexible? Always things will be changing, whether technology or economy or anything. That changes we are ready to adopt it. If you prepare any budget, rigid budget, it is not going to work out, because flexibility is not there. Wherever flexibility is there, if something happens, I'll change it, ready for the adaptation, then that is going to work out. So that is one of the important character is, it must be flexible. Budget, whatever you're preparing, that must be flexible. And also various levels involved in preparation. Various levels, what does it mean? Did you get any idea? Various levels of management we have learned. Levels of management, how many levels are there? 3 levels: higher level, middle level and lower level. All the levels must be involved while preparing the budget. This is the one of the important character. Various levels involved in preparation. Why various levels? Budget means you are preparing for the entire organization. Organization activities are having knowledge to the management and also middle level management and also lower level management, because lower level management are having more knowledge because they are more actively involved. Higher level, middle level management, they get the information from the lower level only. That is the main reason. Mainly they are expecting that all the levels should be involved while preparing this budget. So that will become a perfect budget. Okay. And next, fourth one is specific statement. Specific statement means whatever budget you are preparing, that should be specific. Budget for 1 month, budget for so and so company, budget for so and so branch. Budget, what kind of budget you are preparing? Is it a cash budget? Is it a flexible budget? Is it a sales budget? Okay, like specifically you have to mention it. Without mentioning, if you are preparing budget, that does not give you much clarity. So specifically that statement has to give the clarity, no confusion at all. And top management involved, we are saying here all the levels of management should be involved in preparing. And we are saying here, like fifth point, top level must be involved. Why top level must be involved? Sometimes middle and lower level and labors, they may not be included, but top level must. Why? Just think it. Because decision making by the top level management only. That is why they must be involved while preparing the budget. They'll have good idea if they are involved. It is must and mandatory. Okay, these are the 5 characteristics of budget. Now let's see what are the needs of preparing budget. Why do we prepare? What is the need of preparing this budget? After this, we can go for the advantages. Need for preparing budget means only we have 4 points. First thing is, what is the need is? It is required for formulating future policies. Mainly for the future policies point of view, we have to prepare the budget. If you don't prepare budget, no idea at all what's going on and what we are spending, what we are uh, planning, nothing, no idea. So that is a future policies point of view, you have to prepare the budget. And second one, to ensure coordination among various departments. Why coordination? Budget preparation, we are involving all the people, all type of management, top level management, middle level management, lower level. Middle level management means, middle level management means department heads, all the department heads like sales department, purchase department, finance department, production department, HR department, marketing department, like all the departments we are involving. When we are involving all the department heads are having knowledge about this budget, isn't it? So they'll have a good coordination. We have to move together because we know if 5 heads are there, 5 members having knowledge about this budget, they'll move according to that. There will be definitely coordination between all the department heads. That is what we are talking about in this point. So to ensure coordination among various departments. Next, to act as a tool to control organization. To control organization, this is going to act as a tool. Budget preparation is over, means all are going to follow the same budget. They keep the budget, whatever budget is prepared, they keep in their mind and they'll move accordingly. So everyone is having knowledge. So ambition of the organization, what they are preparing, what they are expecting, that everything is having knowledge. So there will be control among the total organization. Right from small employee to the top management, everyone is having knowledge. So they have to follow that. So there will be a control in the organization. In the same way, to motivate various employees. But once budget preparation is over, means every employee is having knowledge. So what the employee is going to do? So he'll keep his targets, whatever he's planning. So this has to go according to the budget. According to the budget for preparation of so and so thing, or for production of product. So this is the deadline. Date is so and so deadline. And amount also, it should not cross so and so, like everyone is having some knowledge. So according to that, they'll keep the mind, and according to that, they'll be moving together. So that knowledge, that control will be there for each and every employee. So that motivates the employee to reach out the budget. So whatever is budget is prepared, according to that they'll move. It will motivate each and every employee once the budget preparation is over. If no budget, imagine no one is having any idea what is going, let it go, isn't it? That will be the strategy if budget preparation is not there. If budget preparation is there, they'll move accordingly. So there will be a motivation to the each and every employee. Budget is prepared, so I have to follow this, I have to achieve it, I should not cross it, I have to implement it according to the budget preparation. So like motivation. So these are the main four needs for preparation of the budget. Now if you see the advantages, there are advantages, mainly 5 advantages. First thing is improves efficiency. Every organization efficiency is going to improve if budget is there, because we'll be following certainly, like they'll have targets they kept, and also performance is following the targets we kept. My performance is, it has to reach to the target in that way. And also evaluation means how we have done, something is happened, then why, what is happened, what is the main reason behind that, like evaluation. So these three things are going to improve the efficiency of the organization, improves the efficiency. First advantage. Second one, coordination. There will be good coordination between all the employees, like levels of employees we have seen, top level, middle level, lower level management, they'll have a very good coordination. And also at the same time, each and every employee is having good knowledge about this budget, and the good coordination will be there. Everyone is moving towards the goal of that budget. Next one, economy. Budget is prepared, they kept a target. My budget for the coming year is 1 crore only, this is my deadline. So all the employees, heads of the organization, everyone target is, it has to be below 1 crore only. My target is below 1 crore. So they'll be moving towards the below 1 crore only. Sometimes they'll be going for the 80 lakh only. 80 lakh. It means 20 lakh we are saving it. If no target like this, then it may cross 1 crore also. If you keep target, we'll be reaching, we'll be achieving accordingly. Say 80 lakh, by 80 lakh I'm completing, means 20 lakh is economy saving. So this is one of the advantage. And next one, consciousness among the employees. Because all the employees are working together, they are fixing their targets, they have to move accordingly. So they are conscious, they are alert, they have knowledge, and they feel that they are part and parcel of the organization, because I'm involved in the organization, I'm involved in the budget preparation, I'm involved in the organization activities, I'm involved in the decision making. Like that kind of knowledge, alertness will be there to all the employees. That gives a fruitful results to every organization, right? So that is consciousness among the employees. And lastly, time bound. Definitely there will be a time bound. Budget we are preparing, this budget is 1 crore for 1 month, time bound, or 2 months, like that particular period we have decided, means that particular period will have some target and will be achieving accordingly. Then after completion of that, next target, next budget. It's a continuous process. Budget once if you prepared, it does not mean that over. It's a continuous process. As long as the organization is under working, they have to prepare monthly budget or yearly budget or quarterly budget, half yearly budget, like that. So time bound will be there. That is for the specific period. Very simple topic, but very important also. Am I clear about this? In planning, budget preparation or budget planning, how do we plan it? Why do we plan it? What are the advantages? What are the characteristics? This we have seen. In the coming class, we'll discuss more topics. Till that period, keep in touch and don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.